Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to effectively promote your music on TikTok in 2023. TikTok has become an influential platform for musicians to showcase their talents and connect with a massive global audience. With its short form videos and engaging features, TikTok offers an incredible opportunity to gain exposure to reach new fans. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through some key strategies to effectively promote your music on TikTok. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type tiktok.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of TikTok. And of course, let's start first of all by creating a TikTok artist account. So the first step is to create a TikTok account specifically for your music. Make sure to sign up as an artist to access additional music related feature, including the ability to add music to your videos and track performance insights. So an example here, you can of course log in into your account if you have an account with a QR code, if you have like the app in your phone, with your phone, email, username, or Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple, Instagram. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up to create a new account for yourself using phone, email, Facebook, Google, or Twitter. For me, I'm just going to, as an example, click on Google here. And I'm going to use this account. And as you can see here, they will create an account for myself. So normally it should be created. I don't know what's happened. So let me just go and click on login and click now here. And let's see. Maybe they have a problem at the moment, but it's not going to be a big deal. So let's try another way. Let's try Facebook as an example. And let's just apply and confirm cards here as an example and verify and continue. And upload a picture of yourself. So let me just go and upload like a random picture. Like I'm just going to upload this and click on continue. And of course, so this picture does not include any face. So let me just go with another picture as an example. Go here and let's see about this. And let's see if they are going to create an account with this account. Anyway, in the meanwhile, of course, you will have to. So I cannot use Facebook. I don't know why. Anyway, let's say that you logged in into your account or you just created your account. Maybe they just have a problem at the moment with TikTok. So, of course, make sure to, once you created your account, you'll have to optimize your TikTok profile to reflect your brand as a musician. So, use a captivating profile picture and write a concise yet engaging bio that showcases your music style and personality. So you do so, of course, TikTok is all about short and captivating videos. So create music-related content that stand out, record short clip of your original songs, music covers, behind-the-scenes studio footage, or even perform challenges that involve your music. Make sure to even leverage the trending hashtag and challenges. You can keep an eye on the trending hashtag and challenges on TikTok and join the ones that are relevant to your music. You can participate in popular trends, can help your content reach a wider audience and increase engagement. Make sure to even, as an example, collaborate with influencers, especially if your music is very good. So make sure to consider collaborating with TikTok influencers who align with your music genre, and of course influencers have established like audiences and their endorsements can introduce your music to broader fan base. Of course, you can also, as an example, engage with your audience. So, engaging with your followers by responding to their comments, dueting with their videos, and showing your appreciation for their support. You can build a genuine connection with your audience, fosters a loyal fan base. And also, as an example, TikTok is a great platform to tease incoming music videos release. You can share some sneak peeks, short snippets, or create some teasers of your new songs to generate excitement among your followers. You can, as an example, even utilize the TikTok ads. Consider using TikTok advertising platform to reach a targeted audience Of course, TikTok offers various ad formats, including feed ads and branded hashtag that can boost visibility and engagement. So you can open a new tab, go to TikTok ads, and here as you can see TikTok for business marketing advertising on TikTok. So click on that. And from here as an example, you'll have to simply again log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up now. It's going to be the same. So you can sign up with your email and password. So let's just, as an example here, sign up or create. So let's just, okay, so it shows the password. So let me just go and write the password. Then I'm going back. Once you create your password, as you can see, make sure to check this option, which is by clicking here, you agree to the term TikTok commercial terms of service and acknowledge that you have read the TikTok for business privacy policy to learn how we collect, use, and share your data. So make sure to read all of this. So you'll not have any problem with them in the future, and you are aware of everything. Of course, it might be very hard to read all of that as an example, but you can of course divide it like per time to read it, and make sure to read this all, and you will not have any problem if you are knowledgeable in everything. So as you can see here, subscribe to email with news, events, and informations from TikTok for business and TikTok shop. You can opt you anytime in your user settings. So if you want to receive like emails on your email that you enter here about informations and a lot of annoying stuff, to be honest, you can simply check this option if you don't want to receive them. If you want, make sure to check it, and then I'm just going to click on sign up right here. Of course, select objects that are the same shape, so here this with this, and click on confirm. Verification completed. So of course we'll have to confirm our email, so let me just go into my email account, and as you can see from here, I can click here, get this code from here, and simply paste this here. And maybe it's a problem, so let me just write it down with my hands. AH 7Z 7Z and 39 or 8. So now let's just see. And of course, once you create your Google Ads account, as you can see, you'll have to enter a business name for yourself, industry, country, region, currency, time zone, and phone number. So here I'm just going to put statistics 06 some numbers here, industry. Of course, here you will have to go and choose music. So make sure to type music. As you can see, we have here musical instruments. So, or as example, singer. Let's see. Okay, so or songs as an example. Okay, so let's just type music here, which is going to be in sports and entertainment. Of course, you can go as an example for others and see if you have your things, or you can simply go to others, and if you don't want to buy to put musical in industry. So from I'm just going to put that, and here in the phone I'm just going to put like a random phone number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and by clicking here you agree to the terms that we did not see it. So those are different terms from the beginning. So let's just click on continue. Of course, read all of those. Make sure to read them all. And here you'll have your TikTok ads account. Of course, once you have your TikTok ads account, as you can see, you can do automatical payments or manual payments. Click on go to Google Ads Manager. And of course, from here, you'll be able to promote your Google or your music, sorry, through the ads on the TikTok Ads Manager, which is going to be super cool. Of course, let's just skip here. So you can go with simplified mode or custom mode. Let's just go with simplify mode. And of course, as you can see from here, you'll be able to do everything. Select a goal or set a goal, select audience, set budgets, and create an ad. It's going to be pretty simple to do or to go through that. Just follow the steps provided here and you will be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You now know how to promote your songs on TikTok, or to have a solid foundation to promote your music effectively on TikTok in 2023. So make sure to leave a like down below if you like this video, and subscribe for our channel for more tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.